You won't believe it, but the average American spends more than $2,000 a year on gas alone. That's a lot of dough, right? Now let's dive a little deeper into this. Picture this. Your car, maybe it's a small one or a big one, it doesn't matter. What matters is it's a hungry beast, and what's it hungry for? Fuel, baby. Fuel prices, they've been creeping up over the years, haven't they? Just a few years back, you could fill up your tank for less than $50. Nowadays, not so much. This high cost of fuel, it's not just hitting your wallet. It's affecting average Americans across the board. Imagine what you could do with that extra money. A vacation, pay off some debt, maybe put it towards a dream you've had on hold. But don't sweat it. We've got some killer hacks to help you save on fuel and keep more of your hard-earned cash. First things first, a well-maintained car uses less gas. It's as simple as that. You might be surprised to learn that something as basic as keeping your tires properly inflated can improve your gas mileage by up to 3%. Underinflated tires create more resistance, meaning your car has to work harder and burn more fuel. Similarly, regular oil changes can make a sizable difference. Clean oil reduces friction in your engine, allowing it to run more efficiently, and you guessed it, use less gas. And let's not forget about air filters. A clean air filter allows your engine to breathe easier, boosting its efficiency and reducing your gas consumption. So take the time to give your car the TLC it deserves. Check those tire pressures, keep that oil fresh, and make sure your filters are clean. Remember, a healthy car is a fuel-efficient car. Make sure your ride is in tip-top shape. Did you know your driving habits can affect your fuel consumption? Sounds crazy, but it's true. Now let's dive into the details. One of the culprits of unnecessary fuel waste is excessive idling. We've all been there, stuck in traffic, waiting for a friend, or just trying to keep the car warm on a chilly morning. But here's the thing. A car burns up to half a gallon of fuel for every hour it idles. So next time you find yourself in such situations, turn off the engine. You'll be amazed by how much fuel you can save by making this small change. Now let's talk about speed. We all love the thrill of pushing the pedal to the metal, but it's a surefire way to guzzle down gas. As your speed increases, so does the aerodynamic drag, and your car has to work harder to maintain that speed, burning more fuel in the process. So, slow down. Keep your speed at a moderate level. It's not only safer, but also more fuel efficient. And speaking of speed, using cruise control on highways can be a game changer. It maintains a constant speed, preventing those fuel-wasting speed-ups and slowdowns. So if your car has a cruise control feature, put it to good use. It could reduce your fuel consumption by up to 6% on the highway. Another smart driving habit is to avoid heavy braking and rapid acceleration. These actions can increase fuel consumption by up to 40%, not to mention the wear and tear on your vehicle, so try to drive smoothly. Anticipate the traffic flow, maintain a safe distance from the car in front of you, and brake gently. And finally, when driving in the city, try to avoid peak traffic hours. Stop-and-go traffic can be a real fuel guzzler, so if possible, plan your drives during off-peak hours. So there you have it. By making a few adjustments to your driving habits, you can significantly reduce your fuel consumption. So drive smart, save fuel, and watch your gas bills plummet. Scene script. Here's a simple one. Plan your trips in advance. A little planning can save you a lot of fuel. Now you might think, how can planning my trips save fuel? Well, let's break it down. When you plan your trips, you avoid unnecessary detours and backtracking, thereby reducing the distance you travel. Less distance equals less fuel. It's as simple as that. Think about your daily or weekly errands. Instead of making multiple trips to the store, the bank, the post office, or wherever else you need to go, why not combine these errands into one trip? This way, you're not only conserving fuel, but also saving valuable time. And here's another trick. Try to avoid rush hours. Traffic jams are not just bad for your mood, but they're also bad for your fuel efficiency. The stop-and-go driving of heavy traffic can cause your car to consume more fuel. But what if you could eliminate some of those trips altogether? Have you ever considered carpooling or public transportation? Carpooling with coworkers, friends, or neighbors can significantly reduce your fuel consumption. And public transportation? Well, it's not only a money saver, but also a great way to reduce your carbon footprint. So let's wrap this up. By planning your trips, combining errands, avoiding rush hours, and considering carpooling or public transport, you can greatly reduce your fuel consumption. Remember, every little bit helps. Plan your trips, save fuel, and keep that cash in your pocket. So there you have it, folks. 3 simple hacks to help you cut your gas bills in half. First, we dove into the importance of regular car maintenance. By keeping your vehicle in top-notch shape, you can improve your fuel efficiency and save a pretty penny. Then, we shifted gears to smart driving habits. Remember, aggressive driving and speed racing might give you a thrill, but they're no friends to your wallet. By driving smoothly, sticking to speed limits, and avoiding unnecessary idling, you can make every drop of gas count. Finally, we navigated through the concept of planning your trips. Consolidating errands into one trip, avoiding peak traffic hours, and taking the most efficient routes can help you save on gas over time. The less you're on the road, the less you spend at the pump. Now it's your turn to put these fuel-saving hacks to the test. Try them out and watch as your gas bills get slimmer. Share your results and let's create a community of savvy savers. And hey, if you found these tips useful, don't keep them to yourself. Share this video with your friends, family, or anyone who could benefit from some fuel-saving wisdom. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips. Give these hacks a whirl and watch your gas bills shrink. Stay savvy, folks.